Hi there, I'm Sabina from Contabo. If you've ever found yourself hunting for a specific file on your Linux server and not knowing where to start, this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to find files in Linux using a few simple commands and help you understand where to look in the first place. Let's get started. In Linux, everything begins at the top with the root directory, written as just a slash. From there, folders branch out like a tree. Home, where user files live. etc, which are system configs. var, logs and data. tmp, for temporary files. bin and sbin, with the core system tools. Knowing this structure helps you narrow down your search. The most powerful tool for locating files in Linux is the find command. Let's say you want to search your whole system for a file named backup.sh. You'd type this. If you only want to search your personal folder, use home to shorten things. Don't remember if the file name was uppercase or lowercase? Use iname. This matches anything, no matter upper or lowercase letters. In case you need to free up space, you can search for larger files like this. This shows you all files over 100 megabytes. If you are looking for folders instead, you can search specifically for directories. This is great for exploring logs or nested folders. And yes, you can delete matches. Use this carefully, but if you, for example, want to delete all log files in tmp, do this. Always double-check before deleting files. If you just want to browse and see what is inside the folder, use this instead. That shows file size, permissions, and hidden files, all in one view. So that's it. Now you know the basics of the Linux file system and how to use find to search files by name, size or type. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo!